Splash in the bubble bath. Kitty laughs in foamy path. Baby shark is coming too. Bubble fun for me and you. Dip, pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Let's wash Kitty every day. Kitty jumped into bath so bright. Bubbles glowing soft and light. Splash goes water, fun begins. Kitty spins and grins and spins. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark swims in fast. Big foam bubbles flying past. Kitty laughs. Slow down, please. I can't see through all of these. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Rub-a-dub soap all around. Bubbles bouncing on the ground. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Kitty says, what a splashy crash. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Bubbles fly up in the air. Kitty tries to catch them there. Pop, pop, they burst away. Bubble bath is fun today. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark slows it down. No more foam all around. Kitty clean from head to toe. Bath time fun is ready to go. Splash, splash, bubble pop. Kitty bath will never stop. Baby shark and Kitty play. Bath time fun every day. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Baby shark says no, no, no. I don't want to sleep right now. Rock, rock, lullaby. Kitty sings the moon so high. Baby shark jumps on the bed. Pillow bouncing on his head. Blanket flying through the air. Toys and bubbles everywhere. He says, I'm not sleepy now. Then makes funny sharky sounds. No, 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 don't sleep that high. Baby shark is jumping set. Kitty walks in soft and slow. Moonlight starts to gently glow. Tiny stars float in the room. Kitty hums a sleepy tune. Baby shark still wiggles fast. Kitty smiles and sings at last. Rock, rock, sleepy night. Close your eyes and hug tight slide. Kitty sings la la loo. Magic sparkles shining blue. Clouds are floating way up high. Sleepy moon lights up the sky. Baby shark slows down a bit. Yawns and stretches tiny fins. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Thrippy shark knows where you are. Soft breeze blows the curtain slow. Nightlight makes a gentle glow. Baby shark hugs Teddy tight. Everything feels warm tonight. Kitty whispers, close your eyes. Dreams are waiting in the sky. Just for you. Sleep, sleep, drift away. Dreamy nighttime ends again. Baby shark now snores so sweet. Tiny tail under the sheet. Kitty smiles and tucks him in. Magic lullaby rings again. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Sweet dreams, lullaby saves the day. Sweet dreams now, hip, hip, hooray. Oh no, Jack Kitty forgot all her body parts. Let's help Kitty learn and point them correctly. Touch, sing, and learn with Kitty Play. Kitty looks in the mirror today. Something is missing. What can I say? She wants to learn in a funny way. So let's help Kitty start to play. Head, 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 where are you? Here I am, I'm on top of you. Kitty laughs, I found you there. Her head is here, now we're aware. Eyes, eyes, where are you? Here I am, I see you too. Kitty blinks, I can see bright. Eyes help me see day and night. Nose, nose, where are you? Here I am, I sniff things too. Kitty giggles, what a smell. Nose is working very well. Mouth, mouth, where are you? Here I am, I talk to you. Kitty sings la la la. Mouth can laugh and say hurrah. Hands, hands, where are you? Here I am, I clap for you. Kitty claps, clap, clap. Hands help me give a tap. Feet, feet, where are you? Here I am, I walk with you. Kitty jumps, run so fast. Feet help me have fun that last. Kitty learned her body parts today. Head to feet in a fun way. Touch and sing, come and see. Learning is fun for you and me. 5 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Skeleton Mummy making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Say, Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, Pant, no more spooky riding on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
4 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Zombie skeleton causing crazy fuss. One slipped out and broke the wheel. The Kitty called the Dino, and Dino then said, Pant, stop the spooky ride on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
3 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Mummy witch making lots of fuss. Witch did magic, oops, too fast. Her window flew off and didn't last. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost then said, no more magic on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
2 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Dracula, zombie, scary little fuss. Dracula laughed and scared the lights out. Kitty called the bear, and bear then said, Babe, stop the spooky ride tonight.
Riding on a bus.
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 One spooky rider was riding on a bus. Skeleton crying, feeling big fuss. He jumped too hard and broke the seat. Kitty called the witch, and witch then said, Aunt, fix the bus, fix it fast.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Three, ha!
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.